Okay, let's see if I can make it up this hill. 200-pound man, not pedaling. Slowing down. Okay, nope. So here's the good thing is, I can pedal while using the electric motor. So pedaling is actually pretty easy going up this hill. Look at that. Okay, now let's just try the motor. Not pedaling. 14 kilometers per hour. We're still on a little bit of an incline, not much. 16 kilometers per hour. 18. Going over some bumps, pretty smooth. Okay, up to 19. Not bad. Okay, now it's pretty flat through here. 21. Pretty smooth ride. Okay, starting to slow down. A little bit of an incline here. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Not bad at 15. If it could stay at this or better, I'd be happy. Yeah, it's staying at about 14 on this incline. Now speeding up as it gets flatter, 16 kilometers per hour, 18. Okay, now this is fairly flat here. 20. I'm in the third gear, which I believe is fast, the fastest. 21 kilometers per hour. Just under 22. This is actually a good speed. I don't know what that is in miles per hour, but 21. Let off the gas here. Let's come to a full stop and see how fast we can get up to that speed. 14, 15, 17, 20, 21, 22. 22. That's pretty fast.